city is the perfect destination for water sports enthusiasts. From surfing to paddleboarding, enjoy an action-packed day on the water while exploring the scenic views of the coastline. Tropea, boat trip to Capo, Vaticano with snorkeling and a drink. Depart from the port of Tropea and commence your voyage along the picturesque coastlines of Calabria. Upon arrival beneath the church sanctuary of St. Mary dell'Isola di Tropea, take note of its architectural beauty, constructed atop a cliff overlooking the shimmering azure sea. Next, visit the renowned Blue Grotto, known for its crystal-clear waters. Proceed to Formicoli Beach, a site historically significant as the former location of an ancient Roman port. Here, donning the snorkeling equipment provided by your tour guide, embark upon an exploration into the vibrant marine environment below. Upon reaching the promontory of Capo Vaticano, marvel at the lighthouse situated on this narrow strip of land. Next, traverse the exquisite white sands of Praia I Focu, where you may engage in swimming or relaxation on the sandy shore. Afterward, return to Tropea's shores with a final stop at the charming Bay of Riachi for additional snorkeling opportunities before concluding your journey back to the port. From Tropea, Stromboli, Lipari, Volcano guided day tour. Embark on an enriching day trip from Tropea to the UNESCO World Heritage listed Aeolian Islands. Set off from the port of Tropea aboard a guided vessel cruising across the Tyrrhenian Sea for approximately 2 hours. Upon reaching the Aeolian Islands, make your way towards Stromboli, where you will explore the traditional village of San Vincenzo, characterized by its whitewashed houses and Aeolian architectural elements. Engage in a leisurely stroll along the charming streets of San Vincenzo, marvel at the imposing presence of Mount Stromboli, or indulge in a dip in one of the island's renowned black sand beaches. Your visit concludes with a serene cruise to the neighboring island of Lipari, known for its rich history and cultural heritage. Visit the iconic Acropolis and Lipari Cathedral, or enjoy the serenity of Marina Corta and Marina Lunga. For those seeking to immerse themselves in local traditions, proceed to the heart of Lipari's historic district. A short journey to the eastern part of the Aeolian archipelago brings you to the island of Vulcano. Here, observe the natural phenomenon of the eruptive activity of the Volcano di Volcano, believed to be the mythical dwelling place of the Greek god Hephaestus. Embark upon a guided hike along the volcanic trail, offering breathtaking panoramic vistas from the crater's rim. Tropea, Costa Dei Cruise. A rich tradition of love and passion for the ocean has been shared with our guests over the years, offering them an unparalleled array of maritime experiences. Our team ensures that each day presents its unique charms, whether exploring the breathtaking stretches of coastline or venturing into secluded coves teeming with marine life. Our dinghy, equipped with skilled captains and seasoned sailors, takes you through the Costa degli, traversing the picturesque waters off the coast of Tropea and Capo Vaticano. With a focus on providing a safe and memorable journey, these experienced navigators bring their warmth and expertise to enhance your voyage's ambience. Upon arrival at the port of Tropea, guests gather at the main entrance of Via l'Araf alone for an enchanting adventure lasting approximately 3 hours. This excursion will take you through the Costa degli, allowing you to marvel at some of the world's most stunning beaches, bays, and coves. Alongside this journey, there will be ample opportunities for relaxation, including swimming, snorkeling, and enjoying a delightful onboard aperitif. This comprehensive tour promises a blend of natural beauty and leisurely exploration, ensuring a truly unforgettable experience aboard one of our specially designed vessels. From Tropea, Stromboli Volcano Night Tour. On this tour, commence your journey from Tropea in the early afternoon, embarking on a scenic drive that culminates with breathtaking vistas over the stunning volcanic cone of Stromboli. Witness the vibrant hues of the setting sun as you traverse the landscape, savoring the refreshing sea breeze along the way. Throughout the duration of the excursion, maintain an eagle's eye on the panoramic views, eagerly anticipating the chance to spot dolphins frolicking alongside your vessel during peak seasons. Your next destination lies in the picturesque town of San Vincenzo, where you will embark upon an exploration of its charming streets, adorned with the pristine white Aeolian houses that evoke a sense of tranquility. Marvel at the mesmerizing backdrop of the vast expanse of the ocean, captivated by the vivid turquoise waters and verdant palms intertwined with succulent cacti. Embark on a leisurely stroll through the quaint alleys, taking pleasure in the delightful aromas wafting from the numerous artisanal shops that line the cobblestone pathways. Indulge in the culinary delights offered by the various eateries scattered throughout the village, each offering a unique gastronomic experience that promises to tantalize your taste buds. Upon returning to the boat, set sail towards Sciar del Fuoco, a dramatic site hidden beneath the shadow of the ever-watchful Stromboli volcano. Here you'll witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of the natural fireworks erupting from the fiery depths below. As the night unfolds, the persistent eruptions of the volcano create a mesmerizing array of ephemeral columns of smoke, enveloping you in a kaleidoscope of colors and sensations. This evening conclude your adventure with a serene stroll along the black sand beaches, immersing yourself in the serenity and tranquility of these secluded shores. Relax under the watchful gaze of the looming Stromboli mountain, allowing the soothing sounds of nature to wash away any lingering fatigue. Back aboard, prepare for your return journey to Tropea, arriving safely after approximately 3 hours. From Tropea, Panarea and Stromboli Islands boat tour. Embark upon a captivating voyage to the enchanting Aeolian Islands, beginning your journey from Tropea aboard a serene vessel. As you sail towards Panarea, capture the breathtaking vistas of the open sea. Upon disembarking in San Pietro, immerse yourself in the historical heart of this picturesque island, exploring its cobblestone streets teeming with shops and eateries. Venture into the ancient alleys of Capo, where you'll find a fascinating prehistoric village, or visit the renowned Cala Junco beach, both within easy reach after a short taxi ride. For those seeking further exploration, arrange an additional excursion to the unpopulated coves and isles of the Aeolian archipelago. Afterward, proceed to Stromboli, where you will experience an exhilarating encounter with the island's iconic active volcano, adorned with mesmerizing black sand beaches. Settle into the charming village of San Vincenzo and indulge in leisurely moments before catching sight of the spectacular sunset reflecting off the volcanic Sciara del Fuoco. Your Aeolian Island adventure concludes with a return trip to Tropea, where you may wish to continue your explorations or restock supplies before departing.